A series of earthquakes rocked Northern California again in mid-January 2026. This seismic activity has raised serious concerns among scientists that the state is entering the most dangerous phase in its geological history. This time, the threat comes not only from beneath the Earth's surface, but also from the California coastline, which is said to be on the verge of collapse. According to the latest data from the United States Geological Survey, USGS, dozens of small to medium-sized earthquakes were recorded in recent days as part of an earthquake swarm in the Geysers region, about 120 kilometers north of San Francisco. This area is known as the world's largest geothermal field and sits directly above a complex network of active faults. The strongest earthquake in the series, a magnitude 4.2, struck near the town of Cloverdale early Friday, the 16th of January 2026, at approximately 3 a.m. local time. The tremors were felt as far away as the San Francisco Bay Area and Palo Alto, more than 160 kilometers from the epicenter. The USGS received nearly 200 reports of tremors from residents, indicating that the earthquake was widely felt. While most reports indicated mild shaking and no fatalities or major damage, experts stressed that this activity should not be underestimated. Since the main shock, at least 12 aftershocks have rocked the Geysers region. The area sits atop a dangerous fault system, including the Bartlett Springs Fault Zone and the Healdsburg-Makoma Fault, which are directly connected to the San Andreas Fault, one of the world's deadliest faults. In its latest report, the USGS stated that there is up to a 95% chance of a major earthquake with a magnitude above 6.7 occurring in California in the relatively near future. Even more concerning, there is a 72% chance that such a major earthquake could directly strike the San Francisco Bay Area, home to approximately 8 million people and a vital economic hub of the United States. Overall, scientists estimate nearly a 99% certainty that a major earthquake will occur in California, both in the northern and southern regions, including densely populated areas like Los Angeles and San Diego. In Northern California, 3 major faults are currently in the spotlight: the Hayward, Calaveras, and San Andreas faults. Recent research suggests that the Hayward and Calaveras faults are more likely to rupture in the next 2 decades. Meanwhile, the northern segment of the San Andreas Fault near San Francisco is estimated to have a less than 7% chance of triggering a major earthquake in the near future. Most of the tectonic energy in this segment is believed to have been released during the devastating 1906 earthquake, which measured approximately 7.9 on the Richter scale. That historic quake destroyed nearly 80% of San Francisco and killed more than 3,000 people, leaving a geological trauma that still haunts California today. But the threats don't stop on land. Scientists are now also warning that California's coastline is in a very fragile state. The combination of earthquakes, sea level rise, and extreme waves has weakened the natural structure of coastal cliffs. In some coastal areas of northern and central California, coastal cliffs have reportedly been gradually collapsing. Large waves continually crashing against the coast accelerate erosion, damage coastal infrastructure, and increase the risk of major landslides if a strong earthquake occurs. Experts also do not rule out the possibility that a large earthquake accompanied by an underwater landslide or shifting ocean floor could trigger massive waves crashing onto the coast, exacerbating damage in an already highly vulnerable region. With increased seismic activity, accumulating tectonic stress, and weakening coastal conditions, scientists agree that California is entering its most critical geological phase, starting in 2026. The exact timing of the disaster remains uncertain, but the signs are increasingly clear, and the impacts could change the face of California forever.